Hey everyone, today in this video I'll show you how to make an avatar on Instagram. It's very simple, just follow my lead and you will be on your way to creating and customizing your own avatar. Now all you have to do is open up Instagram. Once you're in here, click on the bottom right corner to go into your profile. Once you're in here, click on the top right corner on the hamburger menu, and after this you can click on Accounts Center. Once you click on this, you can go ahead and click on Profiles, and under here you will see all the profiles that you have. Now you can choose the one that you want to create the avatar for. Let's say I want to create an avatar for this account right here. Just click on Avatar once you're in here, and you will see that I already have one. But if you have not created one yet, this is the screen that you will land onto. So as you can see, I currently deleted my old avatar. So I'll click on avatar again and you will see that this is the setup page. After this, you can select your skin tone, click on next, select a hairstyle which you like, click on next. You can even click save right away to go ahead and use them. But you can do all of this customization in order to fine tune the avatar to your liking. Now, once you click on next on everything, you can even choose the outfit. Once you have chosen that as well, you can go ahead and click on save. And after this, it will take a few seconds and then you'll see that your avatar has now been created. Just click on next and you are done. Now, how do you use them? Now, let's say you want to post a story. You can go ahead and open a canvas. And once you're in here, you can click on the sticker icon right here. Once you click on that, you will see an option where it says avatar. Just click on avatar and you'll get all these variations of your avatar that you just created. So the outfit, the hairstyle, and the skin tone are all exactly what I want them to be. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You can use them however you like. And after this is done, you can post it on your story or even text message someone using avatars. And yeah, that was pretty much it on how to make avatars on Instagram. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.